This plane is getting ready for a safe and clean flight.
الطائرة بتستعد لرحلة آمنة ونظيفة من الثلج.
Have you ever wondered why airplanes have to go through their own version of a car wash, particularly during the winter months? It is done to remove the snow, slush, or ice that gets frozen on the wings. And interferes with the plane's takeoff and flight capabilities. This process of removal is called de-icing, and it is some serious business. Let us have a look at how aircraft de-icing works. In the simplest terms, the aircraft is sprayed with a very hot fluid at a high pressure. However, the process is much more detailed and precise than that. The de-icing solution is a combination of propylene glycol and water, which is heated to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and then sprayed onto the wings with the help of a giant super soaker machine. This results in the contaminants getting blasted off, and the wings are clean and ready for takeoff again. De-icing generally takes no more than 10 minutes, but can also take longer in case it is actively snowing. Next time you're inside a plane and see a misty fluid being sprayed that almost smells like maple syrup, just know that the wings are getting de-iced.